Our club, the Rotary Club of Pune Riverside, was started in 1989, more than 30 years ago, by Rotarian Bari B.R. Malhotra, who wanted to set up the Royal Club of Pune. We have had many outstanding projects over the years. The main thing and the main focus of all our members is personified in the sentence "giving is living." And over the years, all our members have done a lot of giving and have created dedicated service with responsible fun. In fact, service with enjoyment is what we do the best and which makes us one of the best clubs of the city.
Happy School is a very dear project of Rotary Riverside. Each and every member is involved in this project. They feel proud of it. They are passionately in love with it. In the schools, there are innumerable needs, but according to budget, we have to decide what we want to do over there on the priority basis. Till now, we have finished 10 schools and 7 more we are planning to do. So much work. This is definitely giving results because the school is getting more and more students and the attendance level also has come up. In fact, we do so much of work and we entirely change the look of the school and their needs are fulfilled. They are happy about that. Happy School, in a nutshell, I can say it is creating a feeling in the heart of children, teachers, staff and even parents, that they feel happy coming to the school and they feel proud of the place.
Happy School project is a gift to our school. It has improved the infrastructure, e-learning facility and the Ladli project, even the washroom facilities, paintings beautify our walls and even teacher training programs are also enhanced. We are blessed and we express our gratitude towards the Pune Rotary Club Riverside.
Our club has done wonderful projects for the school, wherein we have set up 3 libraries. Each library has 300 to 500 books in different languages. It may be Hindi, English and Marathi, where these children can take the books home and read them. Other projects that we have done is starting a science lab in 2 schools, where the students come and learn the basic reactions in the chemistry and they are very excited about it. Third projects, we have gone into sports, wherein we are teaching 250 students of grades 6, 7 and 8 in 3 schools.
Ladli is a signature project of Rotary Riverside. Project is about menstrual awareness and hygiene. The project is well supported by DuroSox and Duro Capital. We have a guided counselor who goes to different schools, speak to girl child and educate them about menstrual health as well as how to maintain menstrual hygiene. With the support of PMC, we enforced school to dispose of used sanitary napkins in an environmentally friendly manner. So far, we have impacted 4,000 girls and teachers across 10 government schools. Every month, we are distributing biodegradable 40,000 sanitary napkins. We want to reach out to more number of schools.
Care for Air is a very unique program which our club is doing. This is with the support of DuroSox company and HDFC Bank. 3 years back, we noticed that all over there was burning smell when we take a walk in the morning of winter months. And reason behind that was that all the guards in each and every society, they were burning fire, they were sitting around it, inhaling carbon dioxide whole night without realizing how much harm they are doing to themselves and they are polluting the whole area. We thought of making them aware of this problem and we took a very systematic approach. We now choose a location and then we created data of all the societies' name, how many watchmen are there, and the chairman's name and phone number. And then we reach to each and every society, give them a short lecture on pollution. We make them realize how dangerous it is, and then we put a poster in their cabin also and make them take a oath that now onwards they won't burn fire.
जब से लोटरी के लोगों ने आकर के बताए तब से हम लोग आग नहीं जलाते।
अभी हमें पता चल गया है कि आग जलाना पर्यावरण के लिए कितना हानिकारक है।
That way we have done 9 localities of Pune, prime localities. So friends, we are putting our bit of efforts to save Pune from becoming another Delhi.
In Riverside, we have a perfect blend of people from different backgrounds. We have entrepreneurs, corporate executives, lawyers, and many more. You can also be a part of this great community. Rotary is a fellowship of people from different walks of life who always believe in the four-way test. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? You can help us with your contacts, time, management skills, or money. We meet at Sheraton Grand for breakfast every Wednesday morning. We welcome you on board. I look forward to having breakfast with you on any given Wednesday.